Welcome to the exciting future of Xiaomi. Today, we explore the revolutionary launch of HyperOS 3.0 and the global debut of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Why is HyperOS 3.0 a monster in the software world? Let's dive into the features that make it a true game changer. HyperOS 3.0 is built on Android 16 and offers a smarter, more personalized experience with dynamic icons, seamless cross-device syncing, and intelligent AI features. It's optimized for incredible performance, making it one of the most powerful OSes ever created. How does HyperOS 3.0 compare to previous versions? HyperOS has evolved. Version 1.0 was smooth, but lacked AI power. HyperOS 2.0 brought better multitasking and performance. Now, HyperOS 3.0 is a total beast, AI-driven, ultra-fluid, and visually stunning. It's the smartest and fastest HyperOS yet. What makes the Xiaomi 15 Ultra the most awaited Android phone in 2025? The Xiaomi 15 Ultra, launching globally in March 2025, is packed with power. Featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite, a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display, and a groundbreaking 200MP periscope camera, this device is built for the future. What's inside the leaked Xiaomi 15 Ultra? Is it as amazing as we expect? Here's a sneak peek at the Xiaomi 15 Ultra from leaked images. With its alloy frame, massive camera bump, and ultra-thin bezels, this phone looks as amazing as we expect. And for the most awaiting part, HyperOS 3.0 plus Xiaomi 15 Ultra integration. HyperOS 3.0 truly shines on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, enhancing every experience from multitasking with ease to AI-driven recommendations and seamless sync across devices. So when will HyperOS 3.0 and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra be released? Mark your calendars for March 2025. Get ready for the future of Xiaomi with the global launch of HyperOS 3.0 and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Stay tuned for more updates.